You don't know there are some particular settings on your YouTube studio that is not making YouTube to recommend your videos. This particular settings might be the reason why you have low views on your videos. Yes, I mean every video is you upload. This is the particular reason why you have low view, because this particular settings is always on while uploading your videos. So I will be discussing about this particular settings in today's video. All right, so hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As you all know, I give you updates about money making and YouTube growth. So I discovered that there's a particular settings while we are uploading our video that we is always on by YouTube. It's like it's automatically on. But if you want more views on your YouTube channel, if you want YouTube to publish your videos to many viewers, not just your subscribers, you have to turn it off. And this is what I'll be discussing on today in today's video. All right. Now we are many people like, if you have subscribers, if you notice that when you publish your videos, YouTube is going to push your video to your subscribers. Yes, YouTube is going to post your videos to your subscribers, but your subscribers might not watch the video, and it's giving the algorithm a sign that people are not interested in that video, and that will make that video not to do well on your channel. Yes, because I have about 150 subscribers right now, and many people YouTube push my content to most of my subscribers, and most of them don't even watch it, because mostly most of them are not on their phone, or they're not just interested in that particular topic, and that's killing that video, because the algorithm will see the video as okay, many people are not watching it, so I don't need to push it out. All right. So if you know that you want YouTube to push out your content, if you want, like, you don't want YouTube to actually push this video, that video they're posting, to only your subscribers, you need to watch this video to the very end. And while you are watching, please subscribe to my channel. Please like this particular video so many people will get to benefit from it, because no one on YouTube street has actually talk about this topic. I must say I'm the first person to talk about this topic, because I actually took my time to to make findings about why is it that my subscribers are not watching my video. It's not as if I'm doing something wrong. All right. So I actually discovered this by myself, on my own self. So nobody on this YouTube street has actually talked about this YouTube topic. So all I need you to do is to please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and drop a comment. You might say thank you, you might say wow, nice one, just nice comment. Okay, so that being said, let's dive right into the video. All right guys, so for the sake of this video, I'll need to upload a random video. All right, so all I'll do is that I'm here on my YouTube studio on my Chrome browser. So I'll just upload. I told you you have to turn this setting off while you're uploading. So let me just pick a random video right now. I don't even know which video to pick. I want a shorter video, so let me put this one. Drag and drop file to upload. It's invalid format. Probably, oh, it was a picture I picked. Okay, let me pick this one. Sorry for that. Okay, so we are here. The video is uploading. Now, all you have to do now, after you have filled all these forms, you come here, you click on more. You still click on show more options. All right. This is where we are. This particular place. This is what I'm talking about. So under here we see allow bundling, and we also see publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers. All right, so this is what we are talking about. The reason why I asked you to turn this on, and I think this setting is actually, let me see, it should be more concerned to small YouTubers like me that actually need that need more subscribers, that need more watch hour at this time, because most time YouTube publish my videos to my subscribers, and my subscribers might not watch it. Okay, and that's why my videos are not doing well. Most of my videos are not doing well. But if I turn this off, all right, YouTube is not going to publish it to my subscription, and it will not notify my subscriber. But what I noticed that after I've done this, YouTube still notified my subscribers. So it's either one or two. YouTube will still notify your subscribers, but it will not only push it to just your subscribers, sorry. It will also push it to many people for them to watch. All right. So this is what I am talking about. Or you always turn it off. Now these settings can only be done while uploading. You cannot do it after uploading. I don't know if you are getting what I'm saying. You cannot do it while uploading. So not now. This is the setting. Please, if you find this video helpful, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Please like this video. As you can see, you are trying to grow. At least I'm on 180 subscribers. Hopefully by the end of this year, I pray I hit my 1000 subscribers. So thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.